love fractals though. Fractals are so interesting.
Fractals are
How
fun.
was it? I could roll it. Oh, I can roll it.
You can roll it.
I can pitch it.
And pitch it.
I can do everything.
Wow.
I can yaw it.
So cool. Oh yeah, yaw.
Your head is in the way, but I think you get the idea.
Yeah.
And I can bank it too.
Wait,
so this.
Oh, you can bank it.
I can bank.
You're really. That sounds very much like
everything to these. I can make perspective happen.
Damn.
Okay, so I can do a lot of things here. What was the center? Oh God, no.
See, does it automatically put it up?
I can.
It does.
I can zoom. I can unzoom. Pix. Is that pixels per unit? Can I make it like? Oh God. Can I? Oh God. Oh dear Lord.
I've fixed my my automatic ding thing, so now people actually get notified without me manually doing it.
Oh yeah, I was supposed to have that, you know.
Yeah.
Then I forgot, you know.
Yeah, well, that happens. It happens.
It happens.
What was I supposed to do? So.
Oh yeah.
I'm still working on my chat thing. I got a video to play last time. That's pretty much
chat?
what I've... With chat, I can use like a chat command. Yeah, I can use a chat command and then I can play a video on it. Actually, since we don't have a like... No, wait, that's... Wait. Since you're...
Oh! Was that... No. That... I remember that I could do something with this thing, but I don't remember how.
You know what? I'm going to mute this, and then I'm gonna put this down a little.
Oh, it was this one. Yes.
There we go. So it was only capturing Discord audio. Now it's capturing everything. So I'm just gonna find some playlists and just get that playing on the video player up here, I guess.
Yeah. Hello. Oh, how do I say that name? Vlit TV. Keep up the amazing work. Thank you. I'm kind of trying to remember how I did this. It's an very interesting program. I really like it. Just for having fun. I do like how the sharpness here, how that works. And then I got rid of it.
There's definitely some glitchy stuff going on. I should probably have restarted my computer before doing this stream.
Oh God, what did I... Oh dear, I fucked up everything.
It's okay.
Oh no. Oh, where did it go? It went there. Oh.
Yeah, I mean, that works. Let's put this in here.
This kind of reminded me how I think I made kind of a habit last time I was exploring this program and learning it. I kind of made a habit out of like saving things.
That was kind of loud. Wait, we don't have a stop command. Well, that's kind of a problem. Well, I'm just gonna turn it down for you all. Sorry you won't be able to hear Marv very easily. I guess. I can't do anything about that. Yeah, that doesn't kill it. Refresh browser when scene becomes active with each current case. Shut down. That's annoying. Well, it's just painfully loud jazz music.
Jazz is amazing.
Not when we're trying to like talk to people. It feels like we're at like You know, discotheque where they play music really loud. It's sort of like that, but it's just like groovy jazz instead of actual techno or something like that. It's like. I didn't plan this through, didn't I?
You know, I think I'm gonna render this one before I start working. I like it how it looks now. Okay, how the fuck did I render it?
Like, that didn't work.
I think it was with no. Oh.
Let's just find the short video instead.
I'm still not sure what's happening, but it is happening. Was it? No. Open the Flame browser. Was it Syndicate?
This is painfully loud. Holy shit. Oh god. Can we just kill it? Just.
It render. There it was.
Wait, okay? It worked this time. Thank goodness. Okay.
Make a new folder called JOL. Okay, you can't see it, but I'm folder managing here.
Okay, I can actually hear something now. Well, no music. I can't do anything about that because, you know.
So sad.
Yeah, I'd rather have no music than painfully loud music.
Look, it's rendering. It's rendering. Oh, there it is.
So,
you can't see it, but I can see it.
Let's just try and look at what we can do, I guess.
So what happens when I render it is basically that it is rendered completely. This is just kind of a preview kind of thing. I should be able to make like mutations there. There's mutations there, but there should be an entire like thing for it. How did I do that? Let's look at the documentation. Search a mutation.
Yeah, display a DOM. Which one do I want to work in?
No, I want the other mutation.
Is that? What?
Was it just quick mutation? Mute. Oh, but I fear that I'll lose that one. I mean, on the other end, what do I have to lose?
You know, let's try and add the emotes, I guess.
Well, that was a couple of them. Okay. I want more. I want the entire mutation folder thing. It's been so long. So long. Okay. Type of mutation.
So, what are you working on?
Yes, I am trying to mutate this one.
That is not very clear.
the thing I'm trying to do is just play with this program because it's been a while and I'm just not feeling up for like something hard like drawing today because I'm pretty like all my energy is gone. So this is what we're doing.
Yeah, okay.
What is it? I'm trying.
Is it the fractal program or what is it?
Yeah, it's that one. Probably, yeah.
Yeah. If extra emote only true. Raw emotes. Extra state emote raw split. Different emote.
You can also make like animations with this, which I think is it's wild.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, there we go. Window. Was it the mutagen? I found it. Export selected to editor. Add from editor. Oh, there we go. There. I mean, you can't see them, but I can see them, and then I can bring them in.
So.
Looks interesting.
I don't know where I want to put this function, but I am just gonna try and put it in here for now. So this is just fetch emotes, I think.
Why this is so different. I'm so confused right now. What is happening? What? Oh, I have to double click them maybe. So this is one I wanted to do, but I didn't open it the correct way. Oh, that one looks great too. Look at that one. That's so cool. I'm just having a blast here.
That's good.
With all my mutations. I'm mutating everything.
So, wait.
What do we want to expand?
Extra emote only is true.
That one looks
Do this. New messages, new message.
like this one.
Emote.x.
Look at this.
Extra user
I
state
don't
raw.
know how it works, but it is here.
Different emotes.
So let's try. Oh, let's try that. Okay, so we have this one. What does this do? Oh, it makes things happen. Oh, hello, Blade Master. How are you doing? Are you killing everything in Dota?
Emotes.
I'm just calling him out there.
Emote,
I'm pretty sure he's playing Dota.
Yeah.
I have a feeling that he is playing Dota. That's kind of his Dota.
His stick.
Kind of his thing at the moment with all the gays. That was my way of saying guys, and it came out wrongly.
All the gays.
I don't think he's playing Dota with all the gays.
I mean, who knows?
who knows? But it could be.
I have my.
Oh look, I got some yellows. Gayom. Yes, all of them.
Okay.
I don't know what I'm creating here, but something. Ooh.
Manage your channel directly from your phone.
Definitely have like what I like the most about this is like, how does it work? I don't get it. Dear.
Oh. Have you ever used that like phone edit thing? Twitch?
The what?
The like phone view. Like when you stream, it sends like a little thing to your phone. Hey, you can use like the creator dashboard on your phone. And then it shows some information about the stream you're having currently.
I was never so lucky that actually worked.
Oh.
I've always been like, it just never worked.
Huh.
Oh.
Well, that's weird.
So this is kind of, actually, I'm speaking as if I understand what is happening. I am actually not. don't be fooled by my.
I don't remember what happens, so let's just test, and let's post an emote, I guess. So we post an emote. User, yeah, the user exists.
And then I should be able to move it.
The emote only false.
How?
The state.
Like, I guess what I really like about this program is also just like you have no idea what the fuck is going on. It's like what? It's very magical actually. Like when you don't know, you're just trying to figure out what the fuck is going on.
Where is this?
Oh god.
I'm gonna look for extra user state. Then emotes raw.
I can't get over how it's kind of like a ripple in water when I do that. Woo. Woo. Does anything happen if I go over here? No. How about here? Ooh. Something happens there.
All of these should just...
I am not a professional.
Global emotes? What if we do that?
It's like I'm fumbling in the dark here. Trying to make a triangle that makes sense. A triangle. Desperately making a triangle that renders something where I want it, or like where I can see it. This kind of like this one changes the thing. Okay, the both of them does, but this kind of like the red triangle determines how it is put. I'm so good with words, you know. Whereas
Yeah.
the yellow one kind of then changes that. Words are my best.
Changes
Words are
the
my
huh?
best.
I don't
Those are my
get
best
this.
feature. I mean, that looks interesting, but I'm not sure it's in the complete art. I like this one better, much better. But let's have a look at this one. This one is just... I don't understand why is it when... Oh, it's rendering very slowly, it seems. Actually... Oh, there's a lot of stuff going on. Let's not bother with that one. Don't want things to... Oh, this is a layer of that weird shit. I just say it. Don't don't worry. I curse like a sailor. Um, I don't know why I said don't worry. I mean, this is... But I think what's happening is that it has some elements of the other ones. That's kind of what the mutation does, I think. Where did it go? There it was. Hello? I do like it as kind of speckle dust. Speckle dust! Let's have a look at what you are. What is this? Oh, so you are... It's the same as the other one, which makes sense. Kinda in a family of stuff. Yes. I don't know if I need this, actually. Let's just delete them. I don't need them. Go away. What is this? I don't know. What if I move it? Does it do anything? No. So it's actually just one. Oh, this is wild. This one is wild. What can I do about it? I can... Ooh, this is so trippy. I like how it moves. My brain doesn't understand. I can roll it. It doesn't roll. What? Okay. Does it pitch? No. What is up with this one? This one is just like, nah, nothing has happened. It says it has a weight. What? But I do like it. Actually, let's try and mutate this one. Let's see what that becomes. Add from the editor. Okay, it got very
This doesn't
similar.
make any sense at all.
Okay, it just becomes the same. That's so boring. How about this one? I like this one. This one looks interesting. Oh, this is the speckle dust on top of it again. I don't know, the speckle dust isn't really speaking to me. Go away, speckle dust. What do you do? You're the one that the one that like changes the speckle dust, I think. What do you do? Okay, you do something. Don't understand what that is. If I don't understand what it is, I delete it. So this is kind of the same thing as that one, the other one. Are you gonna do as the same one? Yeah, so it looks like it's kind of just a background thing. I don't know. Let's search for it. DC transformation. What is it? Types of nonlinear transformations. This is the transformation which also changes the color index. Excuse me. I'm not sure I understand.
just try and put it in here for some reason.
Creation.
Let's go in
Plugins.
here. Commands. Open.
But it looks like it is a. What if I add? Ooh, that's a linear. I don't know what that does. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. Ooh. Oh, so this one, yeah, this one is changing that. No, that's the same one. That was not what I meant to. This one doesn't do anything.
No.
Can I change
That's
that?
correct.
What does this say? Oh! Oh, I duplicated it. What does this say?
No.
What does this? No, you don't need a name. So I can. What can I do?
This one is from sustain. That's no.
Oh, default. Maybe it's because we have that one actually.
Yeah,
Just, I don't understand why. Why is that one there? Maybe it's.
won't you give the correct information?
Layers. I have that one. Yeah, so it's a layer. Okay.
That's here.
Why did it disappear? Okay. Okay, never mind. We don't need that one. Let's look at this one instead. Look at this shiny one. But I should look up layers. What is that all about?
This is so weird. It's just not finding any emotes in the like API. And I've done this exact thing in the previous project and it works perfectly.
Oh god.
Time to run the old one, I guess.
What do you know?
That works.
What is going on? Oh. But dear Lord. I don't know what it is, but it's actually it's an interesting thing. Oh. Oh, so you want to I thought it looked so interesting, but then I fucked it up. What do you do?
Thanks, CJ. This is some painful stuff I have to figure out, I think. That's the wrong project.
It says that the currently not supported features are layers, which was the one that got, like, put into the random generated thing.
We gotta go to the chat box.
I think it's more about transformations right now. Can I go to that?
And I think that's broken.
Is it broken?
4 not found.
So we are. Actually, where are we? Where am I? It's number 3. It's box number 3 we're in. 3. Friends.
What do you mean indexed? Yes, it's not found. Where the heck did it go? Get pull.
Gradient. Transformations and scripts. That's where we are, right? Yes. Let's read up on that.
No, wait, you do have an index. But why can't you find that?
Too hard of it. You actually create and modify the fractal structure. Yes. And using scripts, you can automate it. At this tab, you can modify the structure or shape of the fractal itself. You do this by adding and modifying transformations. So this is a transformation, I think. I don't know. So,
What?
theory. Theory. There's an entire theory behind it. Okay.
Yeah, you're doing math, Marv.
Mm.
Of course there's a theory behind it.
Oh, that's true. This is math. That's true. Beyond the scope of this book to explain how transformations work. Okay, if you are interested in math, then there's a good resource. The guy who invented the fractal flame. Yeah, we will not go there. I am not that clever.
I don't think that's, unless you're doing a quiz, I don't think that's important to know either.
I'm not doing a quiz, I think.
Index.js.
Many of actions described here intuitive, yes. Yeah, so I can make the artwork without knowing what happens.
I guess it's okay. Well, I'm gonna search up on the internet, I guess. Twitch custom chat. How to get emotes.
Okay, so it says the table here shows all the currently selected, no, all the all transforms of the currently selected fractal frame. Yes. Two types. There's the regular ones that build the actual structure, and then there's final ones which are applied after the regular ones and only affect the shape after the fractal is created, but not the inner details. So that's what I think. I like. That's kind of also what I feel from the the intuitivity. You see, if I move this one, it changes things, but it changes things on this one, right? It's not like it's not another thing. I don't know. I might be a doofus. I might be completely wrong. But that is what I feel right now.
Like, is it just?
You can think of transforms as being polygonal mesh, classic 3D software, and final transforms being deformations. Yes, that makes sense. Oh, we have the weight. Yes, what is that all about? This value influences the priority of the transformation in the iteration process. Okay, that's interesting. So if I want you, I have no idea what I'm doing. Oh, so this, ooh, oof. Okay.
I mean, this is not really private, so I guess people could watch me read.
Oh. So without any transfer. Ooh. So if does that mean? Oh God.
So create their own emotes.
This looks so weird now. What is going on? So if I were to delete this one, would it look like it did with 0? I can undo, right? Can I undo? I don't think I can undo.
Oh, it's not getting. It's finding out where does it go. I suppose I could just.
So what if I change this one now? What happens then? Oh God! Okay, hello.
I know what to do. I am going to fetch all the emotes I can and then just replace everything and hope it works. Because the old way doesn't work no more for some reason, I guess. Good channel emotes. Channel broadcast ID. Yep.
Oh God, what am I doing?
How's
Okay,
that
so
done?
this is added on top of that one. That makes oh, oh, this looks so weird when I.
This profile.
So if I, what if I turn this? Okay, so that's, so it's not even there.
There.
Oh god, so that happens anyway. What? Why is happening? I don't. It wasn't happening anyway.
It's very simple. Stuff like this.
Oh god. Hello.
Oops. Oh. There we go. So go do this. First, we're gonna get the channel emotes for the channel you're in, or the channel. Your channel.
My channel?
Not your channel, but your channel. If that makes any sense. Getting it for the person who's logged in person's channel. So it's Twitch TV Helix chat / emotes. Chat / emotes. Broadcaster ID. The ID, and then it's just a broadcaster ID. Settings. Done.
I think I understand what's happening there. Please note that there's no transformation order. Swapping positions of two transforms would not change the fractal. So there's no buttons to position them. I think that makes sense, because if this one is linked to that one, it doesn't matter, does it? If you create it as a, like, as a transformation, add new linked transform like that. So then I should be able to do something like, yeah. So that makes sense, that I don't have to change any of that. That makes sense.
Global emotes.
So the influence of a transform can be affected by weight, as we just played with, or relative weight, known as XAOS. Say this one. Values? What? How about I do this? What if I make you more? What if I make you most?
What if I make you more? What if I make you most?
What if I make you the most important of them all? How about we put 5?
You got Twitch TV
Not sure
Helix
what I
chat
did,
or
but
emotes.
how about we put 2 here? Or nothing?
I forgot.
It's very, very interesting. So everything is at 1. View is from? 3 from 1? Oh! Oh god, I don't understand, but let's just leave that be. Add a new transformation, yes. Oh, so this one is linked and this one isn't, obviously. Wait, how is this not linked when it affects them? I'm so confused now. Oh, a link transform is a regular transform which has a special setup of relative rates.
I think you're learning math. At least it sounds like it.
Am I?
I think so.
I don't know. I don't understand.
No, maybe not then.
Rename it. I can duplicate and delete, and I can add final transform. You can add multiple final transforms. All final transforms are applied at each iteration step. Therefore, final transforms massively affect render performance. This does not hold for regular. Ah, so it was never one of the ones. What if I... Okay, let's just try. I might crash. We don't know. We'll see.
Don't die.
So this was a final. And it was this one? I don't understand what I'm
Concat, or is it
doing.
me.concat dot
Ooh,
and right. Yeah, it's correct.
interesting.
Quest.
So maybe the thing is that I should just not have 10 of them, you know?
Possibly not. Possibly not.
Yeah, I actually don't know if my computer could like handle 10 of them.
It's probably doing a lot of work, like behind the scenes, to
Yeah.
make everything look nice.
Yeah, already. It's like me mentioning making another one is just like, oh please no, don't.
Yeah. It's a lot of unnoticed work until it becomes very noticeable because the computer's overheating.
Actually, let me just have a listen. It's being very quiet still.
Well,
that's a good thing. I just upgraded my rig, you know. I think it was
I
back in
see.
December or something. I actually built it myself because I'm cool like that. But that's because
Wow.
I had to play Elden Ring. Blade Master couldn't really, what do you call that? I couldn't hold him back, and he wanted to play with me, the Elden Ring. And
Oh, I
at the
see.
moment, he and some of our friends is still like waiting for me to finish the storyline so we can actually play together. But
Yeah.
everything happens in time, you know.
Mm.
It will happen someday, probably. But I am supposedly at the final boss right now, so
Cool.
shouldn't take very long. Okay, so I love, I guess that's the math of it, but I love how this does kind of the same as this. It doesn't matter which side I do this on, it's the same outcome.
Yush.
Such math! What do
Let's
you
see
do?
what the better TV. Better TV emotes API. That is not. Oh, close it up. Guys, use it. Provide a good user.
So this seems to change some of the that. Let's make it a different one. Kaleido image? Oh my god. What even are words? I don't know. I'm not sure how this I
Hmm.
zoom? No? Okay, let's move on to another one. Power distance. C. No, didn't speak to me. Kaplan? Sounds kind of Swedish to be honest.
Maybe.
Kaplan?
I mean, it could be.
Log? That must be like logarithmic or something.
Hmm.
Cut through shit. What is that? I don't know. So that I have absolutely no idea what's going on.
Not only equal true.
Hello?
No.
Hello? I really want it there. Was it there? Okay, now it's making more noise now. It's still not. It's not like, ooh, this is tough. It's just like, just understand. I'm doing honest work here, is what my computer is saying.
Better TV cache the image.
Oh, that changes everything. Oh god, now it's. Well, it's not that bad, actually. I mean, else it's just being very quiet about it if it's bad.
Hmm.
You know what I mean? I think I'll just render this one and leave it as that for today with this one.
Yeah, okay.
Because no, not sorry. I mean, I won't end the stream. I'll just not work on this more because I fear my computer will be sad.
Hmm. Hmm.
Oh god, it looks interesting, but it has like holes. I didn't realize it had these holes, but I can live with it. I'll delete it now. Don't worry, computer, you don't have to. Oh, it's making sounds now too. Maybe I just didn't hear it before. I mean, it's not loud, it's just there.
I mean, it might. I don't know.
What the fuck is this? The fuck?
Hmm.
What is going on?
So how would I go about making it actually?
I don't know if there's any explanations for some of these drop-down menu things. Let's see if we can see that. I search for non-linear. Yeah.
It needs to test names up against each other.
I can add up to 12 non-linear transformations to each of the transformations. Oh my god. It's like transformations inside of transformations. That's kind of what fractals are, so it makes a lot of sense.
Yeah, yeah. Yep.
It's so logical.
I mean, we have the name. We have the name pictures in the message. We just need to test every emote against every word against the message.
Onion.
It would just be a lot of work.
I'm not complete. Oh, not completely sure.
A lot of work.
How about we turn these down to 0? Oh god, we can see nothing. Hello.
Yes, color.
Okay. How about we make them 1? 1? What is going on? Like, it's always an adventure with these things. Oh. Oh. Hey, yo. What is going on? Um. Oh. Yeah, that looks like a fractal if I ever saw one.
Yeah, because yeah, this becomes a little bit of a problem, I think.
What has happened?
Well, I don't get told when I get an emote in my chat thing from my API, and I need to know that because otherwise I need to test every word in every message, if it's like an emote or not. Which, oh geez, that would be a lot of work for the computer to do in the background.
Mm.
We need it to work somehow. I have to build my own tester to see if this specific message has an emote in it.
Yeah.
Uh,
The amazing life of a developer.
yeah, it's amazing when they just decide, hey, we're not going to support this anymore. Also, we're not going to mention that we don't support it anymore. Good luck figuring out how to fix this.
Why would we ever tell you what's happening?
I don't know. What was that? Wait, what? Oh, wait. Hey, now we can show your channel.
I'm not really feeling this one, to be honest. It's not. It's gone, is what it is. This one, I think this one was hell. This one, I don't know. Like, oh, it did change over there. What the? What? Oh. Wait, so it was that one that didn't.
Message? Example message parser. Receiving chat messages. Replying to chat messages.
Let's just get rid of these and make a random batch. Just, oh, that one looks kind of like I don't even know, like trees. Looks like trees. I really like it.
The text of the resubscription chat message.
God, I love that one. Really do. Oh, I can make them big. I forgot. I can make them bigger and smaller. Oh dear. I'll make you bigger. Oh god. I didn't mean to make you big like that. Cubic? Yes, I am speaking with the fractals. Don't worry, I'm not too crazy. Just enough. Ooh. I have no words for how psychedelic this feels. And so I can add a new one. Oh! It just changed everything. What? Oh dear. Oh dear. Look at that. It became even... It became scary is what it did. How about another one? How about we do this one? Oh. Okay. That is a little weird. Maybe. Distort? Color? I don't know. How about... Ooh. Oh yeah, those are the bubbles! The bubbles. Oh. Rainbow. Bubbles. I still don't... Oh. I'm not sure I understand completely what is going on. I mean, it is math after... It is math after all. Repost? What is... I don't know. Oh, it's because I had to... Oh. Wait, what did I do? Wait, now I'm at that cut thing. Oh! Oh. If I make it very, very small. Small. Yeah, that's just not really doing it for me. It's default. Oh! Popcorn! Whatever that means. Polar. Pearl. Polar. Petal. Ah, that one, yes. I do remember some of these.
See, just example
Merle.
tags.
Some of the name of these. No, I really liked it like this. Let's just render it before I lose it because I'm having too much fun, you know?
Hmm.
You know, chaos comes from having too much fun. Now it's like, do you want to enable some kind of performance mode to optimize the smoothness of lighting effects? Sus, I can tell that you're doing something that with your computer. And I'm like, nah.
Nah, it's okay. It'll live.
I'm sure it'll be fine.
Yeah. Emote
Oh,
sets.
this one has a lot more. Look at this.
That's
Oh.
something we're receiving.
Oh, there's things going on. Ooh. Oh.
That is.
So this is just like on top of it or what? I don't understand. If I do... Oh goodness.
Color display. Emotes.
It is happening. Would I just a small, teeny tiny. Ooh. But that's kind of like you can layer them on top of each other, I suppose, for effects and shit. This one look
Wait,
pretty
that
cool.
is logging something. Emotes.
Oh.
Is that the emote?
What?
Okay, so it's some. Wait, it is logging the thing. But when you look inside the. What the. Wait, now it's doing it? Huh? Huh? Wait, what's the. Oh no, I think. You know what? You know what I figured out? I think that, like, the emote server, whatever that was supposed to be replying back, the emotes, it was probably down to maintenance or something. so it didn't get anything. And maybe that's why, because it's now showing up inside there. And oh my god, I'm so done with this project already. Oh, yeah, you just thanks, CJ. Let's see if it does it this time too. That it says it's extra. Go in here.
This one looks funny. This looks like ink in water, you know.
Yeah, message emotes.
Oh god, this does not look like ink in water anymore. What?
No, yeah, it was definitely down. Wait, do we even? We also have the ones where it doesn't work, right? Up here. Yeah, emotes null, emotes raw. You scroll down. We've done nothing but look at the documentation. Oh, now it's. Wait, where is it? Yeah, there it is. Oh, it's got something.
I really like this one too. I'm just saving all of these because I love them. All my pieces of artwork.
Hmm. How long? Oh, we've been going for an hour already, actually.
Oh.
Pretty much.
Time flies when you're fleeing from the real thing you have to do.
Wait, what are you supposed to be doing?
I mean, I would have like been drawing and painting, but then I was like,
Nah.
I don't feel it today, you know?
Yeah, I get it. I get it.
So I can get rid of this one, right?
I might go because I need a break after having to go through all this.
That's okay. I might go too because like I am pretty spent for today too, but
yeah.
wait, so that's just what is that? What randomize? What do you hello? That's so boring. That's not the fractal I want. Wait, if I zoom in on this, does it keep going?
Good work, good work today though, because now I know why it wouldn't work sometimes in the future.
Yeah, I mean, it's always good to know about like problem stuff, things.
Couldn't have said it better myself.
I'm the best at words sometimes, I
Yeah,
know.
you're real bad tonight for some reason. Is it because you're
See,
tired?
I'm just telling you, today is just not my day.
No.
I went in here and I said to myself, I am showing up and that's good enough.
Yeah, sometimes that's good
That's-
enough.
That's what happened today. I showed up and it was good enough.
Yeah, passable
And
work.
I'm apparently making math with stuff. So that's good enough too.
That is very good enough.
Oh, look at all the flowers.
That-
Look at all the flowers.
That is very good enough. What a sentence.
I mean, sometimes you just have to be like, that's... Today, it's good enough that I showed up.
Yeah. I have like my next talk with the like what do you call it? Speak
Oh yeah,
person.
yeah.
Audio law,
I know
they're
that,
called.
yeah, law, yeah. It's not
Audio
really.
law,
I
like
do think
psychiatrist,
sometimes
but for
people-
your voice, I guess.
Yeah, like therapist or something.
Yeah.
Oh my god, I love this one.
Did I talk about them last time?
The last I remember was that they weren't good at explaining things. So I explained things for you, and then it
Oh,
kind of
yeah.
made sense with the videos I sent you and stuff, but I don't think I've heard anything later that...
No, well, pretty much nothing's happened since then. I've been keeping at blowing bubbles into my into my glass and training
Wait,
my
so
voice a little bit.
So that's with straw?
That's with straw, yeah. Well, they gave me a
Yeah.
PVC pipe, my very own audio law copyrighted PVC pipe.
So lucky, I can't even...
Yeah, you know.
Oh my god,
I'm so glad for
I always wished for my own, but I never got
yeah,
it.
this is like a great selling point of universal healthcare. You get free pipes if you go to an audio law. They can afford to give you free hardware pipes.
But but it's working. Like you're actually like...
I mean,
like,
depends,
I don't want it to sound
really.
mean, but like you're getting it, or like getting towards the place that you have to go with it.
I guess. Well,
Oh my god, I love that
pretty
so
much
much.
only got this thing where I gotta blow bubbles, and every time I do it for long enough, I do in fact feel that my voice is getting sort of weakened, like it's being used really hard. So I think that's supposed to happen so I can train my voice a little better.
Yeah. Like you have to put some strain on it, kind of like a muscle.
To
learn. Yeah, that makes sense.
Yeah. I'm gonna get throat abs. Voice abs. Yeah, I'm gonna get voice abs.
So like, but did the speech instructor, whatever we're gonna call the person,
Just call her the sweet old lady. That's pretty much what she is.
The sweet old lady.
Sweet old lady.
Did she like did you tell her what you were struggling with in it, and then like...
Yeah, I sort of did. Though I think the whole thing is like you have to go through this like training nonetheless. But I did mention that like when I do a high-pitched voice, it sort of fizzles out a little bit because it's just not strong enough or whatnot. So I think that's why I got this. And I think it's sort of been helping. I mean, it doesn't hurt to go up into the higher tones as much. So I think it's working. But also I have not been doing it every day that she's recommended because I'm not good at doing tasks every single day. But I've been doing it pretty often by my standards, so hopefully that's good enough.
Reminds me of me and my physiotherapist. It's like, yeah.
Physiotherapist? What's that again?
It's like, it's because I'm becoming an old woman, actually.
Oh, damn.
It's like a physiotherapist is like when you, like, maybe you have problems with your hip, or maybe, like, you also use physiotherapists for, like, do you call it rehabilitation or something after an accident or something? And the reason I'm seeing a physiotherapist is because I have problems. I have problems everywhere. But
oh no.
The big problem right now that we're tending to is my feet. Because I have, like, oh my god, this is so embarrassing to share.
You don't have to share it if you don't want to.
Nah, it's okay. I'm just joking. So I have, I think it's called flat feet in English.
Oh.
And I also have, okay, I'm just gonna go Danish with you on this one.
Okay.
Nedsunket forfod.
Huh.
And my Achilles tendons are not, like, they're not straight. They're, like, bended.
I'm trying to visualize it a little bit. Is it, you know, there's the thing where your foot sort of goes up a little bit. Like, it turns into, like, a little archway, like, on the side. Do you not have that? Is that what's different?
Like, on the outside, I'm confused now. Okay, so
like,
you have a foot, right?
Yeah,
you know
have
what?
a foot.
I'm just gonna do it in paint, you know? I'm gonna save this one and then move to it in paint.
Yeah.
And everyone at home can see how my feet are fucked up too.
No.
Oh my god. No, so it's not really that big a problem. It's mainly just annoying. I mean, it's about me not putting my weight how I have to put it, like the best way, you know?
Oh, so it's not like a thing you're born with, or?
No, I think it's bad posture, and it's bad, like, having a, oh my god, what is happening to my stream? Look at it!
I don't know. You're just in a black void.
What? And, like, can you see
I
my
guess
mouse?
you can. Yeah, you can just draw your. Oh, that's a weird foot. Oh my goodness.
That's so weird. What happened? Okay, let's try again.
Yeah, that's not how the foot looks. No. We'll try drawing another one.
Window capture then paint.
For like a little bit, I thought that was just straight up how you.
There we go. You can see my paint.
Yay.
Put it here. Okay, so what you do is you have a foot. Oh god.
Ooh.
This, and then this is the big toe, just to indicate that.
Yeah,
right?
The big toe.
And so that's. My god, that foot is. I don't know. So what is? So are you talking about this arch?
Like on the inner side, like.
Are you talking about this arch? Because my problem is that I'm putting my weight here. That's what I have been doing.
Yeah.
Which has made it so that there should be a natural arch here, like from the heel to the big toe, but it's not there. It's more flat, and that makes it so that if this is like seen from above, now it's gonna be a mirror. So this is the little toe and all of the other toes, and this is gonna be the big toe. So my big toe is like that. Like, I mean, this is exaggerating, but like.
So it's like a little curved in.
It's curved that way, and what you call that is like basically the main, like the first. What do you call
the first joint?
Joint, yeah. That's where it goes inwards, and that's because I've been putting my weight on there. And so what I'm trying to do is obviously get it out there again.
Okay.
Get it straight so that because this is annoying, obviously, and can lead to other problems. The other problem I have is that I just think what nedsunket forfod is that this part is just, I don't know how. It's just fuck it.
Yeah.
And so, seen from behind, this is a heel. That's a very weird leg. Um, and this is then the Achilles, right?
We got an ad.
You got an ad. So what
This.
my Achilles is doing is that you can still see it, right?
No.
What I'm drawing. Oh, you
Nope.
can't. Oh, good. So we're waiting. But yeah, those are my feet problems. Welcome
Now we
to
can
my
see it.
TED Talk. You can see me now?
Yeah, yeah.
So, if this is the part where I put my weight on, what happens is that the Achilles thing is like either going like that or that. Yeah, I think it's going like this.
Oh, so
And so I would like it to be
those,
straight, you know?
yeah, those are also
And
bending a little.
yeah, they're bendy. So what I'm trying to learn how to do is have this I have to have my knee above my ankle joint thing, and then I have to I get like exercises where I have to try and push my toe the other way, or
Yeah.
like lift it up, and then I have to lift the others and stuff like that, and like activate the muscles in here.
Mhm.
And obviously just be aware where I put my weight. So I'm like putting my weight much more on this side of my foot and trying to like tense up these muscles there. So
Yeah.
that's my feet. I hope you're happy. You now understand my feet.
Thank you. It
I'm
was actually
sure that,
really interesting to know, I
I mean,
feel.
but as I said, it's bad habits, or
Yeah.
just bad posture. But the thing and the reason why you usually do something about it is because like a lot of with all kinds of anatomical knowledgeable things are gonna like chiropractors and physio. What? Did you just sneeze? Pause.
Yeah.
So what they're going to say is that like the feet are the foundation, or if you're like basically your posture and stuff.
Mhm.
And so if you don't like, because it's your first contact point, or the only contact point usually with the ground, and so if that is not right, well then the rest of your body, like your hips and your back and your shoulders and your neck, all of that is just gonna compensate for that, which is probably
Oh,
why I have problems with my neck. Well, it
I
could be.
see.
It could be the beginning of those problems, at least.
Mm.
So that's why I really want to have it like work with it, because it will only get worse. Like my toe is not this bad. Don't worry, my toe is
No,
not
no.
this bad.
It's over
But if I
exaggeration.
kept, yeah, if I kept going, it might get that bad. So that's why I really want
Yeah, well
to deal with it.
that's a good reason.
Yeah, that's a good reason.
That's a good reason. Not wanting to have a bad body, that's a good reason. Not
Yeah,
yeah.
and it's because you can get all kinds of problems with the feet. Like, I
Mhm.
actually did have some problems with it. I think it's called an impacted toenail or something. Like, at first I thought I had fungus in my toenails, but it turned out to just be because I'm leaning, or like my weight is distributed like
Mhm.
that. It pushes on the other toes, and so the toenail that's like up against the other toe, it gets all kinds of like hardened what is that called, like hardened skin and problems like that,
Mhm.
which it's not nice either. But at least it wasn't like ingrown and stuff. But I think posture and how you stand on your feet can also determine whether you get stuff like that. It can be very very gruesome actually.
I see.
So that's another good thing that I'm trying to get like not to have.
Yeah, that's understandable.
But I think I will end for tonight too.
Yeah, me
And then
too.
I'll probably see you in a week.
Sounds likely, yeah. And then you can hear
Yes.
about the whole uh speech person thing, I guess.
Yeah, I'd love to hear about it. I'm so happy I could help you, because it is I can imagine it's a bit weird when people just say, "Oh, you have to breathe into the stomach." Like,
Yeah. And I mean, I have been training it a little bit, and I can like switch over to premium and try my stomach pretty well. The thing is, just I feel like I end up being like out of breath a little bit more, but that might just be because I'm not used to it.
That could be, yeah. I don't know. I think maybe that's also part of why you're like making the bubbles things, because like that's controlling the breath. Kind of like when we sing. Like as I said, my knowledge on this is from singing in a choir.
Mm-hmm.
But when we were singing, it was also about like usually about keeping a note for a long time.
Yeah.
And so you have to be able to control how much air you're letting out, because like you can't hold it for long if you let everything out at once, right?
Yeah, yeah. It
Um,
just, yeah.
and then I think it's also kind of similar to like people who, I think it's called free diving, where you don't use like all the gear and stuff.
Mhm.
Like those people, when you see them, they really take a long time to just breathe in. And like when you think they're done, they're like even more in. I don't know if you heard that, but it's
Yeah,
kind
yeah.
of
They
like they
breathe a
just,
lot.
yeah, they suck a lot of air in,
Mm,
which makes sense.
yeah.
Um, but that's a whole other thing.
Yeah, I'm not
Like
planning
filling
on
up
doing
those
that,
lungs.
but you know,
No,
it's a nice plus if I ever decide to do it.
we never did that at the choir either. Don't
No,
worry.
what a weird choir you went to. I heard every
Yeah, like
choir
we
did that.
sang underwater. What?
Yeah.
Standard choir things.
Yeah, I mean, have you never been to one of those choir meetings where they're like all underwater? They have like a meeting room on
That's like
underneath a swimming
that's
pool.
like we were just doing the under the sea reenactment. Come on.
Yeah.
God. Okay. But yeah. Thanks
Okay.
for good stream time. I should really go. I am so tired.
Yeah, me too. Bye
But
bye.
bye bye and bye bye everyone.
Bye.
Actually, I think I'll send you. I think
Oh,
I have
wait,
a
let's raid
feeling.
someone. That sounds like a good idea.
Yeah. I'm gonna rate Pixel. I always rate Pixel, and we're rating Pixel again.
Do
Pixel
I
is the
know
best.
anyone? Uh, I know you.
Oh, yeah, you can rate me, and then we rate Pixel with even more viewers. That's gonna be so amazing.
Sure, let's do that.
Let's do that.
Crazy.
I love how my feet are just there. Anyone showing up now is just gonna be, what the fuck is this? You call this art? I love how it's transparent now.
What? No,
What do you
don't remove the feet. That's what
Oh,
everyone else is coming over to see.
that's
Oh,
what we came
jeez.
for.
Now no one's gonna.
I mean, this is a. Oh, hello, everyone. This isn't
Hello.
a segregation. This is. Oh, I love how this one got smaller. What?
Small feet.
I mean, I'm just the best at this program. We're gonna rate pigs.